Hey everyone, hello. I hope you are doing good. And today I wanted to share a review with you all with a book that I just completed. The book is still fresh in my mind, so I wanted to share the review as soon as possible. So I just finished reading The Poppy Wars by Arif Kwang in my Kindle, and the book was quite extraordinary. I really enjoyed the writing of Arif Kwang. I have already read one book from her previously as well, that was The Yellow Pages, and I also enjoyed The Yellow Page quite a lot. This one also I enjoyed a lot. I have not read something like this in the past. I have read a lot of fantasy books, but this is a fantasy that is typically just war. There are no subplots like the romantic things and the mystery and the other things. No, direct war. So it revolves around a girl named Rin, who is actually an orphan, and she lives with her aunt or uncle, and she's not treated well. So her only chance of escaping them would be if she get admitted to a military academy, which you have to pass a lot of tests and entrance and stuff like that, which is quite difficult for her. But she ultimately gets into the academy, but there she is not treated well because she is an orphan, and the other people are from a little higher background than her, so she's not treated equally. But she faced it, and she gets a good grade. She learns a lot, and she's really a good student in the military, in the academy. But then breaks out a war with of her country with another country, and all the students from the academy have to fight a war, and she's sent somewhere else with her commander to fight the war on that front. So there are other things as well that's going around with her, because she's not like other students. She's a little different, and she doesn't know why she's different, and ultimately she will get to know at the end of the book why she's different and why she behaves differently than the other people. The book was quite interesting, and because it was a war book, there are a lot of gruesome things that happen in the war, a lot of things which will make you feel sad, which will I actually cried for in reading few pages, which were little gruesome. There was a lot of bloodshed in the book, but yeah, the story was quite interesting. The plot is very interesting. So I would suggest, if you like this type of war fantasy, do give it a try. The plot is awesome, I would say, but just keep in mind that there are little gruesome things, and I would not recommend young readers to read it, because there's a lot of bloodshed and things like that. But yeah, if you can go through them and you do not feel difficult reading that type of content, I would say give it a try. The book is quite awesome. Okay guys, see you next time with another review. Bye.